Imagine a creature that combines the lightning-fast, venomous strike of a cobra with the brute strength and constricting power of an anaconda. A hybrid beast that could slither through the jungle like a shadow, its very existence rewriting the rules of nature. In the animal kingdom, the idea of a hybrid snake, a mix of cobra and anaconda, sounds as thrilling as it does terrifying. But what would such a creature look like? Could it even exist? And how would it behave? First, let's look at what makes these two species so fascinating on their own. The cobra, sleek and deadly, is the king of venomous snakes. Its signature hood and hypnotic sway are more than enough to make most predators think twice. Cobras deliver a potent neurotoxic venom capable of paralyzing their prey in seconds, and some species can even spit their venom to blind attackers. On the other side of the spectrum, we have the anaconda, the heavyweight champion of the snake world. These massive constrictors found in South America rely not on venom but sheer strength. They ambush their prey, wrap their powerful coils around them, and squeeze until no life remains. Anacondas can grow over 30 feet long and weigh hundreds of pounds, making them one of the largest snakes on Earth. Now, let's merge these traits in our minds. A cobra-anaconda hybrid could have the muscular build of the anaconda, capable of crushing prey far larger than itself, but also the deadly venom of a cobra, allowing it to strike from a distance before getting up close. Its hood could flare out in a display of warning, while its enormous size would intimidate even the fiercest jungle predators. The perfect combination of speed, stealth, strength, and venom. This hypothetical creature might dominate the food chain like no snake ever has. But there's a problem: biology. Cobras are elapids, while anacondas are boas, and the two belong to entirely different families of snakes. Their genetic differences make hybridization nearly impossible in nature. Even if science attempted such a fusion, the vastly different sizes and reproductive strategies of these two species would pose insurmountable obstacles. However, that doesn't stop us from imagining. What if evolution, or some form of genetic engineering, created such a snake in the distant future? Conservationists might fear the disruption it could bring to ecosystems. On the other hand, nature enthusiasts might marvel at the sheer adaptability and power of such an apex predator. Of course, this hybrid remains firmly in the realm of speculation, an idea best suited for science fiction or monster movies. But it's a fascinating thought experiment, isn't it? A glimpse into what could happen if the boundaries of nature were ever bent just a little too far. Would we fear it? Or would we marvel at its terrifying beauty? One thing's for sure, it would be a creature like no other.